In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a weather calendar to your Google Calendar. Managing your schedule while staying ahead of the weather is both practical and convenient. Let's dive into the process step by step to smoothly integrate weather forecasts right into your daily planning routine. First things first, begin by opening your Google Calendar. You can do so by navigating to calendar.google.com in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into the right Google account, the one you use most frequently, or the one where you manage your primary calendar. Next, open a new tab in your browser and search for a weather provider that offers iCal links. There are several options available like Weather Underground, Weather.com, or iCalShare. For simplicity, in today's guide we're going to use Meteomatics, which is known for its reliable weather predictions and easy integration. Once you are on the Meteomatics website, you will need to input your city to ensure you're getting relevant weather data. Simply enter the name of your city in the search box provided. This step ensures that the weather updates you receive relate to your local area, making your calendar truly personalized and useful. After entering your city, look for the Generate button and click it. What this does is prepare the iCal link for your specific location's weather forecast. This link will serve as a bridge between the weather provider and your Google Calendar, allowing for seamless data transfer. Now that your link is ready, you'll see a Copy Link button. Click this to copy the generated iCal URL to your clipboard. This URL is what you will paste into Google Calendar to complete your weather calendar setup. Switch back to your Google Calendar tab and locate the plus icon next to the Other Calendars on the left sidebar. Clicking this icon opens up a drop-down menu where you should select from URL. This option allows you to manually add calendars from external sources such as your weather provider. In the field that appears, paste the iCal URL you previously copied from Meteomatics. Ensure the link is correctly pasted and there are no errors. This will make sure that the data syncs properly with your calendar. Now click on Add Calendar. Once this is done, your weather calendar will begin to sync automatically with your Google Calendar. Depending on your network speed, this may take just a few moments. Finally, navigate back to your main calendar view. Here you'll see the daily weather forecast seamlessly integrated, giving you a comprehensive view of the weather alongside your other scheduled events. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added a weather calendar to your Google Calendar, enhancing your day-to-day scheduling with up-to-date weather information.